In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create feedback surveys in HubSpot. First, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and that you have access to the service tools. From the main navigation, open the service section. This is where HubSpot keeps all of its customer support and feedback features, so you'll find everything you need to build and manage surveys. Inside Service, go to Feedback Surveys. This dashboard shows any existing surveys and gives you quick access to create new ones. Look for the option to create a survey and select it. You'll be taken into a flow that helps you build the right survey for your goal. On the next screen, you'll see survey options. HubSpot provides templates geared toward different outcomes, such as measuring satisfaction or collecting open-ended feedback. Choose the option that best matches what you're trying to learn, and then click Next to move forward. If you're unsure, remember you can always refine the wording and design in the editor. Now choose how you want to deliver the survey. For this walkthrough, select email. Email delivery is great when you want direct outreach to contacts you already have in your CRM, and it gives you control over timing, audience, and follow-ups. Click Create Survey to open the editor. This is where the real customization happens. Start by adding a clear subject line and a short, friendly introduction that explains why you're asking for feedback and how long it will take. Keep surveys concise. 1 to 3 focused questions typically drive higher response rates. Use a simple rating scale for quick insights, and consider an optional open text question to capture context in respondents' own words. If you're including conditional questions, keep the logic straightforward so the experience stays smooth. Next, align the look and feel with your brand by adjusting colors, logos, and language. Double-check the sender name and reply to address so recipients recognize and trust the message. Define who should receive the survey by using contact lists or filters that reflect your audience. Timing matters, so consider scheduling the send for when your contacts are most likely to engage. When you're happy with the content and settings, preview the email and send yourself a test. This helps you catch formatting issues, broken links, or unclear wording before it goes live. Finally, select, review, and publish. HubSpot will summarize your setup so you can confirm everything is correct. Once published, your survey will start collecting responses, and you can monitor results from the feedback surveys dashboard. Use those insights to follow up with customers and refine future surveys for even better outcomes.